I recently got to visit 50 Mills at the Four Seasons Hotel in Mexico City, which was named one of the world's best bars in 2019. It's far from just a typical hotel bar. It offers a unique and elegant mixology experience that's hard to beat. The bar itself is stunning. It's spacious, has an elegant vibe, but still feels cozy, perfect for enjoying a great cocktail and a fun night out. Besides their classic cocktails, they offer signature creations that are truly one of a kind. Since the sequel to Beetlejuice just dropped, I tried a few movie-inspired drinks. One standout was the Detective, made with tequila and an edible gold leaf. Pretty cool, right? Another hit was the Sandworm, a mix of mezcal, beetroot shrub, and watermelon. So refreshing and absolutely delicious. They also have cocktails inspired by fairy tales, which I fell in love with. I got to try one inspired by it, which was Hansel and Gretel. The presentation was gorgeous and the taste totally on point. Right now, because of the Beetlejuice experience, they're only offering one fairy tale drink until mid-September. I can't wait to come back and try the rest. They're supposed to be visually stunning. So if you're looking for a spot with killer drinks and great vibes, 50 Mills is definitely worth a visit. I'll be back soon for more fairy tale magic.